1, 2.
J Medline 74, yeah. J Medline 74. Comment, like, and subscribe. 74, yeah.
What's going on, people? It's your boy.
J Medline 74, yeah.
Anyway, today, well, your boy's tired. Anyway, today, I'm in the middle of another video, but in the middle of that video, I had to throw away a tool and buy a new one. So I figured I'd do a quick intro, unboxing, and rating of this tool. RYOBI 10-inch sliding compound miter saw. Okay. Just like that, I think we're ready to go already. Like butter. Brand new tool made quick work of these 8 legs. Cut clean, cut straight, cut quick. Slide was nice on it. How much was it? I think I paid about $270 for it today from Home Depot. I'll put a link in the description so you can pick up one if you need one. Not the most high-end tool, but for what I'm doing, it'll be fine.
J Medline 74, yeah.